Hello friends, I am Nilima. Welcome to NJ classes. In today's session, we are going to learn fractions. In mathematics, a fraction is used to represent the part of the whole thing. Here we have 5 equal parts. Out of that we consider 4 parts. So it is represented as 4 out of 5. 4 divided by 5. Here 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. This representation is known as fraction. Upper part is always numerator and lower one is denominator. We have one rectangle. Consider its half part. So on the number line it can be represented as 0 to 1 and middle point is 1 divided by 2, that is half. Here half is fraction. There are different types of fraction. So let's see one by one. First one is proper fraction. A fraction which has numerator less than the denominator is known as proper fraction. Here numerator is always less than the denominator, as in 2 divided by 7, 5 divided by 9, 3 divided by 8. Oppositely, in improper fraction, numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. Sometimes it is greater and sometimes it is equal to denominator, as 7 divided by 3, 4 divided by 4, 9 divided by 2. The next type of fraction is mixed fraction. It is combination of whole number and proper fraction. Here 5 is whole number and 2 divided by 6 is proper fraction, as numerator is less than the denominator. The next type of fraction is like fraction. In like fraction, we have to focus on denominator. If denominators are same of all the fractions, then that fractions are like fraction, as 2 divided by 7, 5 divided by 7, 6 divided by 7. Oppositely, if denominators are different, then that fractions are known as unlike fraction. So, while identify the given fraction is like fraction or unlike fraction, always focus on denominator. In unlike fraction, examples are 2 divided by 7, 5 divided by 8, 6 divided by 17. All denominators are different. The next one is unit fraction. A fraction which has numerator 1 is known as unit fraction, as 1 divided by 7, 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 9. In decimal fraction, denominator is 10 or multiple of 10. So, in decimal fraction, focused on denominator. If it is multiple of 10, then it is a decimal fraction. Friends, I hope you understand the concept of fraction and its type, and you like this video. So please share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.